In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals, OKRs, and KPIs in Asana. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Asana's web address, then hit enter. Once you're at the login page, you'll need to type in your email address in the provided field. Make sure you're entering the right email address associated with your Asana account. After entering your email, go ahead and click the continue button to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to enter your password to complete the login process. Carefully input your password and then click on login. You'll soon find yourself on your Asana homepage. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find various options and you'll want to click on goals. This section is crucial as it houses all the tools you need to create and manage your objectives in Asana. Next up, let's dive into creating a new goal. Near the top of your screen, you should spot a button labeled Create Goal. Click on it to open a new goal setup page. Now, it's time to get creative. Type in a catchy and descriptive title for your goal. This title is important as it helps you and your team quickly understand the goal's purpose. After that, assign the goal to an owner. This step is essential because it establishes accountability and ensures that there is a specific person responsible for tracking progress and steering the goal towards completion. Then you need to select a suitable time period. This defines how long you aim to achieve this goal, whether it's a quarter, a year, or any other time frame that suits your project needs. Privacy is also a key consideration. You have a choice here to decide whether your goal should be public or private. If it's public, everyone in your organization can see it. If it's private, only the specific people you invite can view it. When it comes to collaboration, you should enter the names or emails of team members you'd like to involve. This allows you to keep everyone in the loop and can facilitate easier collaboration. Moreover, you can decide on the level of access your team members have regarding the goal. You can choose if they have permission to edit the goal or just comment on it. Finally, once all the details are in place and you're satisfied with your setup, the last step is to click the Save Goal button to secure all your changes. And there you have it, you've successfully created a goal in Asana. Keep using these steps to streamline your goal setting process efficiently.